Hi, I am Kumar, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering at University of Texas at Dallas. Welcome to the Advanced Materials and Manufacturing Lab. Our team is developing new materials and structures. We are especially interested in making the metals which are stronger than steel and lighter than plastics. We want to make the metals which can withstand extremely high as well as low temperature and survive in harsh environment. These properties are critical in industries such as aerospace, where the temperatures are below zero, and in nuclear power plants where temperatures are extremely high. These are also important in medicine where the implants are in chemically corrosive environments. We use state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques such as metal 3D printing to minimize the waste and lower the processing cost. Engineer your passion, design our future.